I'm gonna be showing you how to do a cartwheel in 1 minute.
Nakikipagdigma sa aking
Actually,
sarili.
I don't know what
Nilalabanan ng bugso ng
So
aking
you
katawan.
start off with a baby cartwheel, which
Tinitiis
is
na
you
huwag
put your
gawin ang
hands right
ginagawa
here,
nila.
and then push up, like,
Kahit
and you
mamatay ako,
start off
hindi
with a,
maninindigan ako.
like, yes, fall backwards. As you start doing that, that's getting better and better. Like, it's trying, you're trying to something,
Hindi ko alam
trying
kung
to
hanggang
stay
saan
in
ako
your
aabutin ng pakikipaglabang ito.
and then,
Pero may habag ang Diyos.
and
Hindi
then,
man ako magtagumpay sa
after
pwesto
you
ng
did that,
kadiliman
you
ngayon.
can start off with that
Darating din
one,
ang panahon na mananalig ang kanyang kagustuhan.
and don't do this guy. Do it like here, and then
Ang iyong mahal na
that's how I
kapatid.
do it. You can use this on a yoga mat or something else like, yeah. And then you push up, and use the, and you, guys need to put on more pressure. So that was a normal cartwheel, you see the guys?
Mahirap para sa buong mag-anak na tanggapin ang bagay na ito, subalit wala silang magagawa.
Cartwheel?
Kailangang pag-ingatan ang reputasyon at kaligtasan ng buong angkan.
Do this
Kailangang
in your feet, and then
mapangalagaan ang mga susunod
go.
pang henerasyon ng kanilang
now you
pamilya.
did
Isa
a
lamang ang
cartwheel.
tiyak. Gaya ng nangyari
No,
sa
that
kanya
was so
noon,
bad.
ang sakit na kanyang tinaglay ay ipapasa sa mga
Thank you for
susunod pa sa
watching.
kanya.